Threading the sewing machine. Before you can begin sewing, it's important to make sure that the machine is properly threaded. To thread the machine, first you'll need to wind the bobbin. Grab an unused bobbin and the color thread of your choice. Keep in mind, the color thread you use for your bobbin will appear on the underside of your stitch. To wind the bobbin, place your spool of thread on the top of the machine, hook it through the hook labeled with the number 1, and wrap it clockwise around the post as shown. Then pull the thread through the top hole of the bobbin and insert the bobbin onto the metal rod on the top right of the sewing machine. Press the bobbin towards the right side to click it into place, so that the foot pedal will no longer control the needle and will instead spin the bobbin. When the bobbin is in place, hold the thread tail above the bobbin as you step on the foot pedal and watch the bobbin wind. When finished, press the bobbin back to the left and lift it off the rod. Trim any excess thread and the bobbin is ready for use. To insert the bobbin, remove the needle plate cover and place the bobbin in the bobbin casing. Ensure the thread tail is hanging off on the left side of the bobbin before placing it inside. Once the bobbin is in place, pull the thread tail through the small notches shown. You've now inserted your bobbin. Make sure not to put the cap back over the bobbin just yet. We'll get to that after we've threaded the top thread. To thread the upper thread, place your spool along the plastic rod at the top of the machine. Next, bring the thread through the hook labeled with the number 1. Wind the thread through the machine, following the painted numbers as shown. When you get to number 5, the thread winds around this lever from right to left as shown. If the lever appears to be hidden, turn the hand wheel on the right side of the machine towards you until the lever reappears. For step 6, bring the thread through the hook as shown. For step 7, bring the thread through the even smaller hook just above the needle. Finally, pull the thread through the eye of the needle. You've now threaded the upper thread. To raise the bobbin thread to meet the top thread, gently hold the top and bottom threads off to the left side as shown. Watch the bobbin casing as you turn the hand wheel on the right side toward you. You should see the top thread travel from left to right, looping around the bottom thread as it does so. When the top thread reaches the right side of the bobbin casing, tug on the top thread to pull the bottom thread up along with it, forming a small loop. Then tug on the loop to pull the bottom thread all the way through. With the bottom thread through, you can now close the plastic cover over the bobbin.